Kai, a young sea turtle with a deep emerald shell streaked with golden lines, drifted with the warm ocean current. The waves shimmered under the soft glow of the setting sun. Legend spoke of the celestial tide, a hidden current that carried the wisdom of the sea. Kai had heard the elders whisper about it, but no turtle had ever seen it. Determined to find it, he paddled forward, the gentle current pushing him toward the open ocean. The deeper he ventured, the more the water pulsed with an unseen energy. Beneath him, glowing jellyfish danced in a slow, hypnotic rhythm. Their bioluminescent trails wove through the water like ribbons of starlight. A vast trench loomed ahead, its darkness stretching into the unknown. A voice, soft as the tide, called his name, urging him downward. As he descended, the ocean grew colder. Strange, glowing symbols appeared along the walls, guiding him deeper into the abyss. A sudden burst of light revealed an ancient sea guardian, a massive manta ray with patterns that pulsed like the night sky. Its voice resonated through the water, welcoming him. Kai bowed respectfully, asking about the celestial tide. The guardian circled him, its luminous wings spreading wide, revealing the path ahead. A surge of water pulled him forward, and the ocean around him shifted. He was no longer swimming, was soaring through a cosmic current of stars and water. Galaxies spiraled above him, and fish made of pure light darted past. This was the celestial tide, the heartbeat of the ocean itself. A deep understanding settled within him. The sea was one, connected by invisible currents that carried knowledge, history, and life itself. The guardian's voice echoed one final lesson: the ocean does not end, nor does its wisdom. Carry its story forward. With newfound purpose, Kai emerged from the depths, the surface of the sea now sparkling with the reflection of 1,000 stars. His journey home was no longer about finding a place, it was about sharing the knowledge of the waters that touched every shore. The ocean welcomed him back with gentle waves, each ripple carrying whispers of those who had traveled before him. As he approached the coral reef where he was born, his fellow turtles gathered, sensing the change within him. He shared his tale, and as he spoke, the sea around them seemed to listen, as if it, too, had been waiting for his return. The elders nodded in approval, their wise eyes reflecting the constellations above. He had left as a seeker and returned as a storyteller, his heart forever bound to the tides. As the moon cast its silver glow over the waves, Kai closed his eyes, listening to the song of the ocean. The celestial tide had not just been a journey, it had become a part of him, flowing through his spirit like an eternal current. He drifted peacefully in the waves, knowing that no matter where the sea carried him, he would always find his way home. His adventure had ended, but his story would be told for generations, carried on the currents of time. As dawn broke, the first rays of sunlight touched the ocean, and Kai swam forward, ready for the next great journey.